Hey guys, in this video you will be learning running man in 3 simple steps. You can learn even if you are in 50s or 60s or 70s or any age, you can learn this. So just practice with me. Let's go. So what you want to do is you have to take your right leg first. Just rise your right leg, lift your right leg like this. Okay, like this, then down. Now left leg like this, then down. Again right leg, down, left leg, then down. Okay, you don't want to raise it like this. You should be raising like in a small manner. Okay, like this only. just just think of it like you're balancing in the one leg. Okay, like this. Just try to think like that and do it with me. 1 2 3 4. That was our first step and it was very simple, right? And now let's go to the second step. Okay, the second step, I want you to imagine a line like this. There is a straight line going here. Okay, just imagine like that. Now take your right leg up as in the first step. Then we have to place the right leg just in front of the line, and at the same time the other leg, which is left leg, should be behind the line. Okay, so at the same time, like this one, and you have to see my left leg is sliding in the floor. When the right leg is I am placing in the floor, but the left leg is sliding like this. So together it will look like this. Just practice with me again. Right leg up, placing the right leg in front of the line, left leg is sliding behind the line. So like this. Okay, now try to do it with left leg up. Left leg is up, I am placing the left leg in front of the line and right leg is sliding back. Okay, so it will look like 2. Okay, again right leg up, place, left leg up, place. So you have to see the leg which I have lifting up is the one which is going in front of the line. The other leg goes back the line. So when I'm raising the right leg, it's going above, I mean in front of the line, and it's the other leg, which is left leg, going behind the line, like this one. Left leg up, then it's going forward. Okay, so now we got it, right? Now the step 3 is like connecting the dots. It's very simple. So first, when I'm trying to lift the right leg, and the second step was this, right? Now what you have to do is this. What is the next step in this position? It's like we have done doing this. The right leg part is over. Now next step is left leg rising, right? So we have to connect these two positions. So for that, what you have to do is we have to do like this. That is, I am just raising my left leg up. At the same time, my right leg, which was in front of the line, should come to the mid position like this, like this. At the same time, left leg should go up. So together like this. Again, 1 2 3 4, this. Okay, so from the beginning, right leg is right up, placing it, and third step is right leg is coming to the back to the line and the left leg is going up. Got it? Now we are the second step position. Like left leg is up, so we have to place the left leg here and right leg should go back. So second step. Now third step is what? We have to slide back this left leg to here and right leg we have to raise. So like this. So all together, that was step 3. So all together it will look like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now what you have to do is, while you're doing this, you have the body should be straight like this. Okay, so we should not go like this. The body should be straight. So it should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's it. I hope you understood. If you understood, please let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Bye.